Yes, today we're gonna learn how to change a digitizer to an iPad 2. The first thing you're gonna need is go to laptopscreen.com and order the digitizer for your model. I have that already. Also, it comes with the tools that you need, except for a heat gun. You need a heat gun to do this work. Uh, Now I got my heat gun. This heat gun you could find it at Home Depot, or you could get it online for like $20. I paid myself on eBay $35. If this is a very good one, it worked for me. I got 4 years already with it. If you could find that same brand, that's a good brand. Uh, you can also go to eBay or Home Depot. First, you're gonna apply heat. Make sure the heat, you apply it to a corner, not so much in the middle, because digitizer got a glue under. So what's gonna do is it's gonna get soft, and then we're gonna scoop it out. Like you can see, I started picking this edge right here. If I could take out that screw, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Um, I'm a person that like to take all the edges before I start popping up the screen because it's more delicate. You know, the screen is very delicate. I'm also gonna make a second video how to change the screen instead of digitizer if your screen went bad and the screen is showing black but your digitizer is good. How to remove the digitizer without breaking it, I'm gonna explain to you and show you in the video. But right now, as you can see, this digitizer is cracked. So even trying to take it out, all the pieces is gonna start breaking so you start taking it out. So in my second video, I'm gonna link it to the bottom of this video. Don't forget to hit like if you like this video. This is Extreme Media Production. Remember, guys, all the parts that you need is in laptopscreens.com. Okay, I removed a couple of more of the edge. The first thing I want to do is take out the screen. Is very delicate, so I'm gonna lift it up. Like you can see, zoom in, possibly. Zoom in, so you can see the connection piece. If y'all could see this connection right here, this is where you need to pop up. But be very careful. You just snap it a little bit up, and then you push it back, not too hard, soft. Back, and the screen is out. Remember the cable got a little bit of tape, double-sided tape. We got the screen out of the way. This come out very easy. Go to the side, comes out. Let me put this here. Now I'm gonna remove the digitizer. If you can see good, the digitizer connection piece over here, that plastic, you pop it up. The same go with this side. Now, the digitizer connected piece got double-sided tape too in the bottom. If you could lift it up a little bit, and then you just remove it. See, we got tape. Now, let's go to the garbage. Now we're gonna work removing all the edges that's left. You need to leave it clean. You see how clean it is up here? It needs to be clean, no glass, for the new digitizer to fit in good. Remember, do not remove that rubber. That rubber, do not remove it. Be very careful. If you remove it, it's still gonna work good, but no garbage could go inside the screen. When you put in your bag or anything without that rubber, dust and stuff is going inside the screen, so you're gonna see a lot of dust in your screen, so that's no good. So try to not remove this. Okay, now I'm gonna do my work. Start working, removing all this little glass I left behind, and then we're gonna see how you install the new digitizer, and we're gonna connect it, make sure everything's working. And remember, yep, right now I cleaned the screen. There's a lot of little glass all over the screen, so I wiped it out a little bit. Now we're going for the digitizer. The digitizer. Okay, when you're gonna go buy a digitizer, a laptop, screen.com, they got two different covers. It's the same cover. One come with the button, and one come without the button. This button. Buying it with the button, without the button, is almost the same thing. The only difference is that you're gonna have to take this button out from the old screen to the old digitizer and put it to the new digitizer. Now I'm gonna show you how to install it. The first thing you're gonna install is the digitizer. It goes in easy. Sorry guys, my camera just broke, so the video quality is not gonna be the best. We make something good happen for you to help you out. And guys, I'm sorry. I know that the light is hitting it. Y'all can see good all the little details. The video is not the best quality. Sorry for that, guys. How we gonna work installing the screen. Installing the screen is very easy. Very easy. If you could hold it up a little, it's perfect. Now, here's one step you need to learn. All this around, you need to take out is the tape. I'm gonna show you now. Wait. As you can see, is a sticker under it. That's what I like about laptopscreen.com. It comes everything built into the screen. Now remember, guys, if you buy the digitizer without the home button, it's gonna be cheaper, but then you're gonna have to buy the sticker. It's better if you buy it complete. It's worth it and it's better. Okay, I'm gonna finish removing all the stickers and I'm gonna continue with the video. Now the screen is inside. Just you need to fold it a little bit inside for the screen to land on it. Now we're gonna put the 4 screws the way it goes. Remember, Extreme Media Production. Guys, now you have the screen back to place. Now we're gonna turn it on.